Now look at Clonatry. Clonatry is at the moment only a partially functional part of the program. It will eventually become fully fledged, but at the moment only little parts of it have been implemented. And frankly, this is a bit of a strange interface thing because it actually does quite different operations depending on what you set as the Clonatry mode. Really, this is about different ways of doing copies and moves en masse, and I've honestly forgotten which of these are actually implemented at the moment. Depending on which one of these you set, they may use different combinations of paths. We actually have path A, path B, and path C. At the moment they're in different colours, but the colours and which of these are active or not will change when you set Clonatry to a different mode. If we chose to copy to a new location, actually there's only two locations required, which is what path you're going to copy from and what path you're going to copy to. Pretty much a standard sort of copy from here to here, in which case we don't need any third path, so that's been made inactive, and text ignore this is there, and you'll note the colours have changed. Green is kind of meant to mean a safe folder, nothing will happen to that location. Red or other colours will basically be indicated that yes, files will get written and changed in this location. So in this case that's the destination path, path C. There's a browse button on the right hand side for each of these folders, so you can go choosing what the folder location something is going to be done to or from, and that's it. It's once you've selected that, that's there. You can copy and paste into these if you need to. Copy and merge, that's another idea that using just the path A and path C. Copy only the structure, also using only A and C. Move and leave structure behind, another one that's just using A and C, although here you can see the colours have changed because A is a place where files might be deleted. Delete files and leave structure. This one only uses one of the paths. And I'll go back to the first one, which was the one that was set by default when you get in here, distinctory. This one is intended to use all three paths. Oh, well that's not right. Okay. Actually, this one is not functional yet, which might explain why things are not showing as active. But the idea, and actually this was the one that caused this whole section to be created, ready to be written, is that it's got a fairly complicated idea behind it. It's meant to be a sort of a 3-location look and work out what's different and then copy. And to read it straight off the screen, the idea is you would have a path that it would go looking for things that are in the path A, and the things that are in A but are not in path B, then you might want to copy them to path C. This is a bit like a synchronized action, but where the place where you want the new copies to go to is yet a third location. A perfect example of this might be because you run out of space in B, and you know you want to find things that are in A but are not in B, but you can't put any more things in B because it's full, and therefore you want to put them into C instead. At the moment this is an idea in being worked up. As I say, parts of this are working, parts are not. So not much else to say about that.